Fantastic luxury value and lifestyle located in Southwest Florida. This well cared for residence with 5,300 square feet of living is located in Gulf Harbour Yacht and Country Club, one of the premier gated communities on the west coast of Florida. Panoramic water views, a spacious floor plan, 2 fireplaces, formal yet casual lifestyle, high ceilings, fantastic pool in the lanai area, and its own private beach are all here to enjoy. Located within minutes from the beaches of Sanibel and Captiva Islands and open bay and Gulf waters. Experience a spectacular Florida lifestyle with world-class amenities, deep water, luxury yacht marina, full-service clubhouse, spa, championship golf course, dining, tennis, private beach, and more. I'm Chad Reedy with McMurray and Neddy of Royal Shell Real Estate. Give me a call to show you this fantastic Gulf Harbour estate or another one of our exclusive properties.